Okay, you guys. Should we start with you? Hi. Should we start with you? Look at you. You are you're the beauty pageant winner. Hello. Hi. Hi, sweetie. You're like Coco, eh? Look at it. You're just like Coco. Hi. Hi, honey. We'll wait till people come in. Everyone can admire your beauty, eh? Yeah. You got a nice setup, too, don't ya? Chico. Hi. This is the same kind of bird as Coco. Hello. Hello. So, Chico's mom died. And Chico has been here for how long, sweetie pie? A few months. Hello. Oh, hello. She's 20 or so, and she was with her mom the whole time. One mom. Look how beautiful she is. Hi. Okay, and what do we got here? These are all the Goffins. Cliff. Hi, sweetie pie. And you're loud. Hi. Hello. Hi. What do we got here? A scaredy birdie. That's okay. We'll respect you. I think this bird was, her owner passed away too. One of these, oh no, this bird, her owner passed away and she was found in the apartment. One of these birds. I don't know, I can't remember. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi. You look like Cookie. Huh? Are you a cookie? Hello. Hello. Hi, Sadie. What are you doing? What are you doing, Sadie? Must be hard for them when their owners die and they kind of have to come live waiting for a home. You know what I mean? You know, can you imagine what a shock it is to birds when they have to come to a rescue? They get everything they need, but still, emotionally, it must be scary. Right? What are you doing back in there? Hey? You're a cutie pie. You're like Coco. They're just cleaning for the day. So, they start cleaning in the morning. What do we got in here? Oh my goodness, the cockatoos and cockatoos. Hi, beautiful Mango. I remember you from the refuge. You were beside Floyd, remember? Beside Pink Floyd? Pink Floyd came home and you went to your room. Okay? I adopted Floyd the same time this one went home. Mango was returned after a couple of years. Must be, Mango's a mutilator. Hi, honey. Are you friendly or are you a bit of a sneaky one? Are you a bit of a sneaky one? And he's busy. Here's Bob. He's a favorite, eh? You're a favorite, aren't you? But I know he's one of the refuge birds too. A lot of these birds came from the same place as Coco and Barney and Lucky Lou and Floyd. And they're still waiting for homes. And how many years ago was this? It was 2016? 2016. Buttercup, hello. How are you? How'd you end up beside Bob? Huh? How'd you end up beside Bob? Meow, eh? Meow. Meow. Arwen, how are you? Arwen was from the World Parrot Refuge too. All these birds need homes. Hi, Fuzzy. How are you? How are you? So this is where all the money goes to. The birds. The fundraising. Hi, Joey. What are you doing? Well, because they're a lot of work. These Malaccan cockatoos and the macaws are a lot of work. They're very hard to find a home for. Bob's been here, what, 8 or 9 years? A lot of birds have been here for that long. They were part of the big rescue. What are you doing? Huh, Sunda? What are you doing? I think there's a lot of these birds. If you wanted to sponsor one, I think if you go to the Greyhaven website, you can actually sponsor a bird. You getting cleaned up for the day? Huh? And this is, what's this one's name? I don't know. Hi, Phoenix? Phoenix, what are you doing, sweetie pie? That's a bare-eyed cockatoo, right? Yeah. They're active usually. Oh, you got a window view. That's nice. You got a window view. Winter. How are you, honey? How are you? Do you want to get some new toys? Huh? Yeah, they get different. They're rotated they're rotated. I wish I could organize my house. See? Birdie out time. Another dolphin. Hi, Merlin. Hi. Hi, Consuela. You're still here? You're still here? You're always here every time I come. I think Consuela was a refuge bird. The name sounds familiar. Anyways, this is who we raise money for toys for. They always make sure they have, even if they're handmade toys. What are you doing, sweetie? Funny. There's the manager, the house manager. Regional Manager Piper. Well, what a nice... I hope you get paid lots, because that's quite a job, responsibility, right? You let me pet you, or are you a little bit... Can I pet you? No? So we're in Vancouver, Canada. So this is a rescue from Vancouver, Canada. And I think there's 120 birds here. So far, yesterday's total, we raised $4,800 for toys. And one of you guys said that if you divide the $4,800 by how many birds need toys, that means they each get $35 in toys. So this is Big Baby. What are you? Minnie. Hi, Minnie. Sweetie pie. Hi, Minnie. How are you? Who's that? Who's swearing? My goodness. That's the first time I've ever seen that. Okay, sorry guys, I was distracted by someone out in the comments. Thank you, Terry Ann. If you're interested in sponsoring any of these birds, what? You have a sponsor program, right? And so how do they sponsor a bird?
They can pick a bird from the website and set up a monthly donation to Canada Helps. And then they get email text receipts every month.
There you go. And then sometimes you do things where you you buy the bird Valentine's Day gifts and all that stuff.
Yeah, we do Valentine's Day and we do Christmas as well. We do a big Secret Santa at Christmas for the birds.
Oh, nice. Secret Santa. Wow. I don't have any of those. So if you're giving stars, all the stars will go to the fundraiser. Thank you for that, you guys. So, well, we got quite a few donations yesterday. Oh, actually, let me show the link. Manage links. Recently added. There you go. If you want to contribute to the toy fundraiser, I just posted the link. The birds are all adoptable, right?
Yes.
And what's the screening process?
So there's an application, there's a interview, there's a home visit, and we also have a class that is a requirement for bird care. So it's about an hour and a half online, personalized one-on-one, and it just helps to set you up for success.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, it's been really successful.
And how many applicants do you usually get a month?
For bigger birds, not that many. For the smaller birds, there's, I would say, probably maybe 10, 12 a month. But a lot of those are not successful because we do try to be very selective about where the birds go because we want them to be cared for and loved.
Yes, that's right. We want them to be cared for and loved. We don't want them returned.
No.
How many birds, they've had a few birds returned.
We have, I don't know the numbers. There's been several, and it's usually just big life changes like divorce, death in the family, the caregivers passed away, so there's a lot of reasons.
But you'll always take them back.
Yes.
Because you're kind of responsible for them now, right?
Absolutely. They're our birds forever.
Yeah, so they're always responsible for this bird, so in case something ever goes wrong with the owners, they take them back, which is That is like a big deal in the bird rescue world. Know what you can adopt from the United States. Just people locally, like in British Columbia, adopt because you can't take a bird across the border due to health reasons and permits, all that stuff. Yeah, you can't. It's all, and we have a really large bird community here, so a lot of people absorb another bird into their flock. Like they just add, like we've got, like, you know, my birds. I just bring one in. If I got room, I bring one in that I can help. Recently it was Oakley. So if you got a lot of, like, birds, the bird community brings in these birds so that they can have a home. Anyways, do you understand what I was just saying? I'm out of it today. Hi, sweetie. How many refuge birds do you figure you still have?
I think it's about 35. All of our macaws are from the refuge, and then we have probably another 15 or so cockatoos.
So about 35 birds still from the refuge.
Yes.
35 birds here still from almost 9 years ago, wasn't it?
Yeah.
9 years ago. And what are you doing, TJ? We have what's up, Snowflake? Aren't you cute? Hey? Yeah, you're like my room. Hi, sweetie. Wasn't there another room?
Yeah, upstairs.
Upstairs, okay. Stop. More cockatoos? This is like a cockatoo rescue. Huh? Hi, sweeties. Wow, look at all the cockatoos. The Goffin. Why are so many Goffin's cockatoos?
I don't know. I think they're the best. Little Bobby is actually going home today.
Oh, Bobby Glister's new home today? That's fantastic. Congratulations, sweetie pie. Huh? Way to go. Bronson. Who's the one that you were talking about? The one that was flying around that you liked. Merlin. There we've got Bronson. A cockatoo convention. Frodo and Sam. They're a pair. They're scaredies. These were the ones that had the big one and they didn't like it.
No.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And then more cockatoos.
More cockatoos. You guys go through toys like crazy. You know that, right? Fred. Hi, Fred. Hi, Fred. Hi. Lucy, how are you? Hi, Lucy. Wow. That's loud. Oh my goodness, that was hard. Huh? Did you hear how loud those guys are? Hi, you devils. You're fun. You have your own room?
Yeah.
How come they get their own room?
Just because they used to be out all the time in their former house, and they do better when they're out all the time. Like you can see they have some feather issues.
Uh-huh.
So if they're out, they sort of leave their feathers alone a bit more.
Oh, that's good. You guys got a nice setup. Look. Wow, nice.
Their own TV with a Roku.
They've got their own TV. What do you guys like to watch? Boy, you two are spoiled. Hey? Why so spoiled? Bakit and Boo Boy. How old are they?
20, about 20.
20. Aren't they cute? These birds would, I can't believe they're not adopted.
I know. I can't even. They're very sweet.
They're mini macaws.
Yeah.
Mini macaw.
Bucket, kiss. Bucket, kiss. No, she's not going to do it.
Kind of sad, eh, guys? That all these birds need homes. Yeah. Well, you're traveling today. You're going to Australia. Okay, so. Where are they? Oh! You guys, how do you stand the noise? Sugar and nougat.
They are in here. They're super hormonal right now, so they're under the paper. Right, guys? Oh, they are okay.
Weren't they, when you first got this cage, weren't they scared and they were just sitting in one
It
perch?
took them a long time to get used to it. Yep, and now they love it.
They what? They love it. That's good. So we're in Vancouver, Canada, and this is the local rescue. Hi, sweetie. Hi.
That's Angel.
Angel.
She is an angel. She's a really sweet lady.
She is an angel? Aw. Aw, sweetie pie. Oh, a cookie. There's a cookie. A cookie bird. He's a nice one. Oh, Penny.
Penny.
Oh, which one had the collar? There was a bird that you guys had that had a collar. It was best friends with Coco. Coco was friends with that bird, apparently.
An Amazon?
Yeah, with a collar.
Oh, was that Samantha, I think, a long time ago?
Yeah, it was when, I don't know when, but I remember if they ever came back, I'd want that bird.
I think that was Samantha.
She had a collar, and she was in a little carrier, and Coco was friends with her. I don't know. Anyways, aren't you beautiful? I had one of you in my home, and you would attack my face. That's right. Do you have any Amazon face attackers?
Paula downstairs. and Loki.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What about this one? You look like you'd like faces a lot. Blue? Oh, Blue? Are they all pretty much switched over to good diets that are hard to get them?
They get chop every day, and they're all on pellets. They do get a little bit of seed in the afternoon, but predominantly pellets.
Just for treats, right? Hey, Nelson, you're trying to disappear, aren't you? You're trying to blend into the cage so we didn't look at you. That's okay. That's okay. So if you're from Vancouver, these are, poor vision. Aw, sweetie. Okay, we'll leave you then. We'll leave you then. I don't want to scare you. If you want to donate, I posted the link. Did I show the link? So we got to run past the noises.
Yeah.
That way?
Yeah. And you want to go to the macaws?
Yeah.
Hang her right there.
How do you get lost? I'd be lost in here. There's the manager again. Oh. Now we go down to the star, the beautiful macaws. Wow. Beautiful. Ruby and Sapphire. Hey. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi. I love it when they have a friend. Most of these macaws are from the refuge. The same place that Coco's from, and they've been here almost 9 years now. These are all super special birds. When you keep, okay, so the World Parrot Refuge, all the macaws were housed together, and when you bring one bird in that has a disease, pretty much all of them get the disease. And there's one disease that macaws get, and it's called papillomavirus, which is a herpes for birds. And so all the macaws have papillomavirus. And do they all get medication for it?
There's no treatment really, it's just diet.
No treatment, just diet. So there you go. Hi, sweetie pie. But they don't, it just gives them discomfort. Do they ever have sores or?
It does shorten their life expectancy.
It shortens their life expectancy. Well, and what are you doing, you? What are you doing, you? And you? That's a nice cage. That's a good cage.
That's from Wayfair.
That's a Wayfair cage? Wow, nice. Hi, sweetie. Hi. No, we're maxed at our house. I'm busy. And these two are, one is blind, obviously.
Yes, so Buddy, who has his wings up, he's got cataracts. And then Holly, with an AK test, she's on 5 medications a day. We were told about 9 years ago that she had about 6 weeks to live, and she's still with us.
Aww. Why is it, but her eyes look like they're...
She always looks sleepy.
Oh, is she just a sleepy?
Yeah, they're probably quite old.
Aw, guys. Aww. And who's this? Maya. Hi, Maya. Hi. How you doing? Hi. When you adopt one of these macaws with a virus, you kind of has to be the only bird in your house. Papilloma affects, what is it, New World birds or Old World birds? Yeah, so it only affects New World birds. So whatever birds are considered New World birds, it's catchy. So someone who would adopt one of these papilloma birds couldn't have any other birds in the house. So. And what are you doing? I see you peeking at me. Are we going to get you some new toys? Huh? Are we going to get you some new toys, sweetie? Are you excited? Huh? Are you excited? And what's going on here, Marco? You've got a good window view, huh? How'd you look out? Hi, sweetie pie. Hi. Yeah, they have each other. I love it when they have each other. Here's another pair. What are you guys eating? You got vegetables? Huh? It's funny how the different macaws pair up together. Like the blue and gold and the green wing. That's okay. Hi, beautifuls. How are you? Hi, beautifuls. Hi, beautifuls. And who's next? What do we got here? Cher. Hi, Cher. Cher, how are you? Hi. Hi, Cher. There's actually I think the only disease that's transmissible to humans would be the avian TB. There's avian tuberculosis, but it's rare. Okay, everyone, hold on to your hearts. Are you ready for this next one? This one has cancer. She's in a hospital cage. Hospital setup. What's her name again?
This is Donald.
Donald.
The figure is probably a she, but she's been named Donald for so long that we're just...
Donald. No, I couldn't have a house full of these because the workload would be way too much. Hi, beautiful. You've got a nice window, too. This house has lots of good windows, eh? Hi, sweetie. And this is the parrot. What are you doing, you guys? They're not that loud, are they, in here? So how many medications do you guys give out a day?
Oh boy. A lot. There's a lot of, like Donald right now, I think 4 or 5. Holly's got like 5.
How many medications do you give out a day? Catherine, do you know off by heart?
Probably 16, 17 of them that get medication every day.
In the whole house? What's it?
Yeah, about 17 that get, and then you have some that have more serious needs.
What kind of medication does the cancer bird get?
She gets it all. She's on.
I'm just wondering what they give birds with cancer.
Well, for the cancer treatment, it's meloxicam.
Okay.
Toxaprine and allopril, ursodiol.
So heart meds.
Ursodiol is a liver.
A liver med?
There's another one, I can't remember the name of it. There's an antifungal right now? No, we're trying an antifungal.
And she's got her own little basket of toys she can mess in. And she just was moved to this setup recently?
Yeah, normally she would be with Bernie, but she fell a couple times, so she can't be in the high cage. She has to be in a hospital setup.
Oh, Bernie!
We do put him in with her, or they can come out together on top of the crate to play and snuggle.
Yeah.
He's a handful.
Are you a handful?
He's feisty.
Aren't that, those kind of birds usually are. Those hybrids.
Yeah.
The one at the Blodell is the wild one. Oh, that's sweet. Like, are they super duper bonded? Should I put them on my worry list because one is going to die?
I would say they're friends.
They're friends. Okay.
They're super duper bonded.
Okay. How many staff and volunteers do you have here?
For staff, we have this location we have 6, and I think our other location is 3.
Uh-huh.
And for volunteers, people who come consistently, oh gosh, I would say 30 to 40 for here.
Wow.
That come pretty much every week.
30 to 40 volunteers. That's incredible. That's what you need to care for all those birds, though, right?
Yeah.
And
And
you.
it's good for the birds because they get their favorite people and they get, enrichment and cuddles and
Aww. It's tough. Which bird do you think needs a home the most?
all of them.
All of them? No, like you just go, why isn't those little macaws?
The little ones. I mean, they're happy here, but they would be happier in a home.
Yeah.
Some of our cockatoos would really be better in homes.
Yeah.
I think for sure.
Well, I'm excited. The one's going home today.
Yeah.
What kind of hybrid is that?
Harlequin.
Harlequin. Harlequin is a mix between blue and gold and
Green wing.
green wing. Is a green wing. That looks like a blue and gold beak. Yeah. Wow. What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you guys doing?
So this is Odette. She's one of our birds who has advanced papilloma. Dr. McKenzie has done laser treatments on her a number of times to try to reduce the lesions. The thing with papilloma, kind of like herpes in a person, is it comes and goes too.
Right.
So she'll have a flare up, then it goes away. See, she's like, I have a flare up, and then it goes away. And a flare up. There you go. Good girl.
Well, you're an entertainer, aren't you, sweetie pie? Look at you. Wow. Very impressive. You're saying, send me toys. Toys. Wow. You are nice. Oh, my goodness. You know you're on TV now. You know you're in a movie now, don't you? Huh? So again, I'm just going to show this link. If you want to contribute to the toys, I'll just put the link up again. I think we were at 4,600 yesterday for toys in the toy fund. So hopefully we'll get. Oh no, was it 3,800? I don't know. I got it all posted, and then we got quite a few donations yesterday, and then hopefully we get more today, and then I want to place the toy order by Monday, so you guys should have the order within a week and a half, right? And it's gonna be like Christmas. Everyone's gonna have a new big toy, right? Thanks to all of Coco's friends. And just remember that when you're donating through me, every cent goes to the birds. I don't take a percentage or transaction fees or anything. Coco covers the transaction fees. She covers everything. So you give 10 goes to the birds. And then so like say you give 10, we get everything at wholesale, so you're actually getting $20 worth of stuff, or $25, because that's how much stuff costs in stores. So they're getting a lot. You're getting a bang for your buck, right? And you're gonna entertain these birds that have been in these cages, been here for a long time. Well, we've got a lot of spammers today. One even swore. That's the first time someone swore. I'm kind of upset about that. They said the F word. Anyway, so I think that's it. We'll share this out to everybody and links, and tomorrow morning I'll update you on the total. And thank you everyone for watching and contributing and sharing, right? Sharing's important. And liking, if you want to give Greyhaven a follow too. They post a lot of stuff about birds on there. And if you go to their website, Greyhaven Exotic Birds, what is it? Greyhaven Exotic Bird Sanctuary. And they have sponsor a bird. Do you send pictures of the birds?
Yes.
And they send pictures of your birds. Pictures and stories. Oh, that's good. That's a lot of work, you guys. That would take a lot for someone to do that. So that's really nice. So anyways, thank you everyone for watching. And thanks for tuning in. Bye, all.